Hi, I'm Kristy from Minden from Wellbeing Workshop, and I'm a mindfulness teacher with a special interest in the neuroscience of mindfulness. Now, I've worked with thousands of employees across Australia and New Zealand, helping them know and understand how to better work with their emotions. When we don't manage our emotions, they manage us, and it really makes it difficult for us to reach our full potential when it comes to our personal and professional goals. We're experiencing some really big, difficult emotions with greater intensity and frequency, and these can really get in the way of our health, our happiness, and also wreak havoc when it comes to our performance in the workplace. So, we've partnered up with the amazing team at Hackett to bring you this brand new, unique workshop called Calm, an Emotions Masterclass. Now, there's two parts to the workshop. In the first part, I'm going to be taking you and the team through an emotions masterclass. This is where we're really going to get familiar with emotions, what they are, where they come from, and how we can really work to process them and release them from the body so that we don't react to situations in our life and we can choose wisely and respond. Then we're actually going to look at your toolbox of emotions. So these are proven, practical, science-based techniques that are going to help you work with these big emotions so that you can reach your personal and professional goals. In the second part of the workshop, you're going to get the chance to put these new tools into practice with Auckland Sky Jump and the amazing team at Hackett. Now, I guarantee, once you've jumped off New Zealand's tallest building, you're going to be ready to face any challenges.
I know for a fact that if I hadn't have done that course this morning, I wouldn't have jumped. It's an amazing opportunity for organisations, corporates, to bring a team and really give yourself a challenge and be able to really put yourself out there. Yeah, highly recommend it.